Hey y'all, it's me, Paula, and I'm here with a most handsome young man. I'm here at Ann's Garden Shop for a book signing here in Albany, Georgia, my hometown. And Zachary and his mother drove in from a little town in Louisiana outside of New Orleans. And he's 19 years old, and he said he'd been watching me since the very beginning. He was a little boy, and he would go out in his yard and make my recipes out of mud.
It's better in person. Yeah.
So I am so thrilled to introduce y'all to this fine young man. He works and he goes to school and he cooks, and I so want to take him home. But I think his mother would kick up her heels.
We ain't too worried about that.
We ain't too worried about that.
We'll let you take me.
Well, Zachary, let me tell you in on a little secret. I don't cook as much as I used to.
I'll cook for you.
Oh, that would be a treat.
Wouldn't that be wonderful to cook? You know what? I love fried chicken and I love black-eyed peas and rice and cornbread and biscuits. But my second favorite food, though, is Louisiana cooking.
That's the best cooking.
I'm telling you what, that barbecue shrimp. Now I can make them barbecue shrimp.
I have to say,
I can make those, honey. I had to figure it out, but I think I got it down pat.
You do.
I do know.
A roll of paper towels and
A roll of paper towels per person.
per person.
Yeah.
salt that bread. We got
And of course, Bubbles is here with me.
my hometown
The most
too.
wonderful best friend a girl could ever ask for. An
Works both
adopted
ways.
sister.
Works both ways.
So Zachary, I'm so happy that, have you had a chance to look around Ann's store?
Yes, ma'am. I looked around.
Isn't it gorgeous?
I love it.
Now, last time I was here, you see those lights right there? The one that looks like a Christmas tree. How many did we get of those in?
We got, we only got 2, I think.
That's what I thought. We'll have to get some more. Now, where are those windows? And what are they, what's the material? Is it a metal?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
But
Metal,
did you
wood,
see the
string.
gold ones back there, the hearts, and
Yes,
then the
ma'am.
cross and the angels? Oh, those are beautiful.
Really? Well, I'll have to look at them. But I bought these for our back porch. You know, not just for Christmas, but all year round. Because Ann told us, didn't she, Eddie, that people were using these year round. You do, yay. Well, I just
I like
love
those
them.
orbs up there.
Yeah, I've seen you.
Aren't those beautiful? Now, all right, they got lights in them. What did she do? Put a strand of those batteries?
Those are pretty. Those mercury balls.
The hanging balls. I used to have some of those. I had a bunch of them.
I took them
You
to-
remember? Huh?
We hung them in the
For Carrie, was it Carrie's wedding, or what did we do that for?
one way. Yeah, it was. It was either Carly, and then we used them again at Anthony's.
Okay.
Yeah.
We had a lot of weddings at River Bend, didn't we?
Sure did. Had a lot of fun.
Yep, a lot of fun. Well, thank y'all for tuning in with Zachary and Paula and Bubbles today. And you'll be seeing more of Ann's garden. My girls are finally,
One. Yes.
there were 3 October the 9th. And their hair is finally starting to grow. And one of them loves his pig tape. Okay.
I guess we should have made it to Charlotte.
Why not?
I walked over and leaned over to it. It felt like the heat was coming out. I stepped back because I didn't know what out there, but it's just where that heat's warming up.
Hey y'all, I'm at Ann's garden shop, and I just finished a wonderful book signing. So many people turned out. It was a wonderful, wonderful event. So I want to thank all the people that came, and especially a big thanks to Ann for having me, and her team that worked so hard to see this happen. And now I've signed my last book. Now I'm going shopping. Y'all come with me. Look at this over here. Do you think this was a baby bed?
Yeah, or just a child's bed,
A
probably.
child's bed?
Or I guess it could have been a day bed.
It's beautiful, isn't it? What? Oh, okay. A sandwich tray is up front. I bet it's pretty too.
Q, I think, brought us some sandwiches.
Oh, she did. Q. I don't know if y'all remember Q, but I did a video at her bakery, Q's. Let's see, it's called Q's Cakes and Stuff and such. Well, she came in today and she was telling me, y'all, that she won Small Business of the Year here in Albany. I'm so proud of that girl. Tell them, hey, Ann.
Hello. We've had a great day for y'all who didn't make it.
Yes,
Paula
we
was having more fun talking to people than signing books. I got my mouth full of
It was
pizza.
wonderful. Listen, your ginger snaps were so good.
Well, good. I love ginger snaps.
They were had a little heat to them. They were wonderful. All right, I'm shopping, Ann.
Well, good. Your chandeliers have been real popular. You love yours? Yeah.
No, we have not hung them yet. But you know, we're just now getting in the house.
Yeah.
So, we still got a long way to go, a lot of work.
They
So
look like,
pretty.
they look like your grandmother's. They're antique. They're real pretty. And they come in gray. You can get them in gray.
They're not old though.
No, they're not really old, but they really look old. And
But
they're
they do.
They're just as fragile. You remember how they used to be just
Oh,
almost
my
crumbling
gosh,
hands?
yes.
They got the pink and blue and green and gray, I think.
But they're so pretty.
Oh yeah, these are little picks you take and put in a pot,
Oh no.
and you put a candle in it. I mean, you could
No, look
just
at
stick
that.
one in a petunia if you wanted to, and put a candle. You know, they can make an
How
arrangement
sweet.
really pretty. Yeah. they're neat.
Yes, but how would you do it so it wouldn't
Well, you see,
burn
you
the
would
plant?
Well, if you just stick it down in there like.
Show me,
This
show
burn, see, if you could just burn like this. Just stick it in there, and then put a candle in.
And
it.
then light the candle.
You could do 3 candles and have that in a bowl, and you'd
Oh
have.
my gosh.
It'd be pretty.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah, that's real neat.
So beautiful. Do these come in different lengths?
No, that's the only length I got. Was that size. Lord help.
Got some pretty. Wait, can you not get it now? Okay, hold the plate.
There you go.
That's a neat trick. Where did these come from?
They go right over there. See those balls come in these bags. So you
Oh.
can buy bags. So you got this color,
Uh-huh.
different colors. This is pretty. And look, this is wood chips. Would you believe?
No. Oh my gosh. Wood chips. Wow. Wow. Oh, I like the green.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a greenish yellow, isn't it? Kind of a chartreuse.
Yeah, chartreuse. And of course, we got the happy frog with the rhinestones. I love frogs.
I do too. I love frogs. Oh, and these are pretty.
The gray.
Uh-huh. Everything is so pretty. Look at this cute little turkey.
Oh, they call it a wine cooler, but we
Oh.
put plants in it too. And
Yeah.
look at this, Paula. They're so neat. They're wood bees, and there's a
Uh-huh.
hook on each end.
Uh-huh.
And it's got a steel cable. You can
Uh-huh.
swing from it, it's so strong. You can
Uh-huh.
hang heavy pots,
Uh-huh.
hang anything you want. A chandelier.
Isn't that neat?
A chandelier hanging from
Listen. Oh gosh, yes.
And I just thought this was something really neat. Every now and then at market I found something I think, now that is really good.
Uh-huh.
This was one of those things.
Yeah, that was good.
That'll work.
Wow. y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.